Okay, I'm standing here outside Reid's Barbecue, Reid's Hometown Barbecue in Booneville, Arkansas. And this is the outside of Reid's Hometown Barbecue. So when you're passing through, you'll see it. Okay, here's my plate. I kind of got in a hurry and started eating before I showed it to you. I've already eaten the sides, but it is really delicious. And I just put some what they call hot slather on my brisket there, and it's really good. And this is our waiter, Bryson. He was an excellent waiter. He gave me some good tips on things to see here in Arkansas.
Yes, sir.
So
y'all come see us at Reid's Barbecue.
Very good place to eat.
Yes, sir.
Well, we just left Reid's Hometown Barbecue. The food was excellent. We had brisket, pulled pork, coleslaw, macaroni and cheese, Cajun fries, and barbecue beans. All delicious. It was the sampler plate that we shared, and we each had sweet peach tea. Oh God, that peach tea was good. And I highly recommend this place. I'll be back again. If you're ever in Booneville, Arkansas, stop at Reid's Hometown Barbecue. It's right on Main Street. You won't miss it when you go through. So thanks for watching, and don't miss the next exciting adventure.